You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this cooking method, a name from French that means under vacuum. How do you say it? In French it is said as sous, silent S, vide, sous vide. Therefore in English the correct pronunciation is as sous vide. Many say it as sous vide without the D, which is not really correct. Sous vide. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.